The state of data quality continues to be a big challenge for many enterprises as they look to increase revenue, reduce cost, reduce risk, and improve customer interaction. 70% of companies agree that they suffer from common data errors, and data is growing at a rapid rate. The big data deluge is such that human beings cannot be expected to spot patterns in the data. And bad data is costing businesses millions of dollars every year. While organizations are starting to embark on the big data journey, they are struggling to identify bad data and quantify the cost of bad data. So what is the business impact of bad data? Inaccurate reporting, bad decisions, unhappy customers, and ultimately loss of revenue. So what is the solution? Alpharhythm brings together the computing power of the cloud, usage-based pricing, and the leading data quality capabilities in the form of data profiling as a service. You will benefit from data profiling if you are involved in any of these initiatives: data warehousing, BI and analytics, single view of customer, single view of product, MDM data governance, ERP migration projects, core banking system migration projects. With Alpharhythm, you don't have to invest in expensive profiling software, invest in expensive hardware and data center, depend on internal IT resources, pay monthly fee. Simply log in, make a one-off payment, and upload the data file. Results will be emailed to you or can be accessed via portal. Customers who have improved their data quality have increased revenue by 30%, increased lead conversion by 40%, increased profits by 20%. Remember, good data is a prerequisite for big data analytics. What are you waiting for? Contact us today and take the first step in converting data into actionable insights. Have a great day.